So now that the punch table is all done, we're going to see just how fast it can punch holes. All right. So to make this quick, I'm actually going to use a little trick that I learned from my helper, which one day I came in and found out he had gotten through a whole stack of these things really fast, and I was like, wow, how did he do that? So I came out here and found what he was doing. It's kind of amazing what you can learn from, someone who's working for you. Something, you didn't think about yourself and they came up with. So I just wanted to give my helper a shout out on that. I don't think he wants to be on camera, but at least I'll give him a shout out. So what he did was he put 2 pieces of sheet metal here to be able to put stock on, and then he just put the stack here, and then using this magnet on a stick here, basically just grab it like this here, put it in here, line it up. Now just come up just high enough to pull it out, and then just plop it down, bring it down, just high enough. Sometimes it doesn't work totally perfect, but sometimes it falls off, sometimes it picks up too, but overall I think it works really good. Well, as you can see, you can get through a small stack of these pretty quick. So now I don't consider myself to be the fastest person, so I'm sure someone else could probably do this faster than me, but for this test, I'm going to see just how fast I can get through this stack of 200 covers with this punch table. This is with a Unipunch body, Unipunch system on a punch table that I recently just made with a Harbor Freight 20-ton press, shop press with an air-over hydraulic bottle jack. Okay, so that turned out to be about 30 minutes. I've got a screenshot of my stopwatch I'll put on the screen here. It was about 30 minutes. That actually includes the time that I spent picking the ones up off the floor, but that's to be expected. It also includes the time that I stopped the camera to take some different angles and that kind of stuff. So, but you figure, when you're doing something like this, you're gonna have, set up and whatever. So, just figure about 30 minutes. So that works out to be about, just figure 10 seconds a piece. So I figure I probably could get them down a little faster if I had the setup a little better, maybe bigger tables on the side for bringing material in and out. Also, if there was probably like an upstop because you have to like gauge it just right when you're releasing it. So if there was an up stop that kept it from going up too far, that would probably make it faster. Right, well, if you like this video, I'd appreciate the thumbs up. Feel free to leave any comments down below. If you'd like to subscribe to the channel, there should be a subscribe button over here. Also, if you'd like to support us on Patreon, a link over here. Also, some other videos you might like to watch over here. Alright, thanks for watching.